Colorado lawmakers are considering a pair of bills to address the high suicide rate among the agriculture workers.
10 for 7's Brandon Richard takes a closer look at one of those bills and why farmers say they support it.
There's not a lot that Democrats and Republicans agree on nowadays, but this pair of Colorado lawmakers, one a Democrat, the other a Republican, agree that something must be done to help the state's farmers and ranchers.
It has nothing to do with partisan politics. It's about helping the people of Colorado.
CDC says ag workers are more likely to die by suicide than those in other professions. In Colorado, agriculture ranks third highest for suicide rates among industries.
It can be a lot of different things, and a lot of times it's that isolation and sometimes some cultural challenges.
Dan Waldvogel is with the Rocky Mountain Farmers Union, which represents 15,000 farmers and ranchers in Colorado, many of whom struggle with mental health challenges, but live in areas where finding help is difficult. That's if they even seek help.
I think a lot of farmers and ranchers, we like to think of ourselves as self-reliant, pull ourselves up by the bootstraps type, and sometimes it's a little bit more challenging to seek care.
Wednesday, he testified in support of a bill by State Senators Janice Marchman and Perry Will.
Hearing from all of the farmers and ranchers last year, it became really clear that there are a lot of issues that are out of their control that cause tremendous problems for them.
Their bill would create a work group of leaders and experts in mental health and agriculture who'd be tasked with finding ways to improve access to care for farmers and ranchers.
I think this bill, I know for certain individuals out there that this bill is going to help and have an impact in these communities that we're trying to help, and it will be a lifeline to some people.
I think we're making progress, and ideally this bill will bring people together to build more coordinated collaborative efforts.
Both of these bills are still in the committee phase, and some changes could be added to each of these bills as the process moves along. Reporting at the state capitol, Brandon Richard, Denver 7.
Now, the Senate's Health and Human Services Committee also heard a bill today that would create a new suicide prevention program within the Department of Agriculture. The committee approved both bills.